y'all, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I'm gonna be doing my nails. Yeah, y'all like that? Cute. If you want to know where I got these rings from, put it in the comments. Okay. Now let's get to it. Come on. Always caught up in heavy. Welcome back to another Vlogmas. Today I will be doing my nails. Now I have already taken off the old nails. I've letting the gel soak, and right now I'm scraping the old gel off my nails. I let them soak probably like for a good 10-15 minutes. It don't really take that long. So I'm going to scrape this off. Now I'm going to get my dehydrator. I'm going to do that. And I'm going to do me some primer. This is my favorite primer, by the way. Best of the best. Then I'm going to put some glue on my nails and cure that just on my plain nails. And it's going to look like this. Now cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to start putting my individual nails on. I always like to start with the pinky because I find that if I start the other way, it's like I'll start bumping my nails and messing them up and stuff. For some reason, it's better if I do it this way. So I cure it for a couple of minutes, let it stick. And when I do all of them like this, I put my whole hand under the lamp and I let it cure for 60 more seconds. So we're going to let this one cure. And as you can see, good. It ain't going nowhere. You see, I don't have no bubbles or none of that. Looking good. Now I'm going to do one more so y'all can see it again. Now, of course, I put the gel on that nail tip as well. And now I'm going to stick it to this one and put it under the little lamp. And I find that the way that I do it with putting a little gel on there first and then putting some under the tip and then putting that together, I find that that works so well. Like my nails can last literally for like a whole month. Like literally. With new growth and everything, they'll still be tight on there. They won't be like moving and budging. So I really prefer this method the best out of anything else. And as you can see, it's good. So now I have all my nails on. And we need to get ready to polish. As you can see, they look very good. No bubbles. Now first, I decided to put a little gold foil on my tips because I want it to be see-through up under the nail. You'll see when I'm finished what I'm talking about. So I put some of this on first. I used a little nail glue, then put the gold foil on, and now I'm about to polish over the gold foil. And this is like a gel color. It's like a creamy white color. And I have to do like 3 coats to really get, the color that I wanted. I was going for like a light nude. That way, the gold can really stand out because I wanted to do something extra up under the nail. So yeah, we're going to do like 3 coats, child. And after we do that and do the top coat, we got to file. So we're going to file the sides and the tip. Make sure everything good. You'll be surprised how much polish will go to the side. And it'll have your nail looking all like funny. It messes the shape up. So we are filing, honey. We getting it together. And this is it. This is how they turned out. Very pretty. I love me a pretty nude. That's the gold that I put in the on the inside. You can really see it when I go outside. You see the gold polish, and then you can see the gold foil through there. Cute.